I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty.
All my life, by my side.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again. So today we're going to be doing a wash day, but not an actual wash day. I'm just going to be teaching you how I treat my hair every month. But let me not lie, I don't want to lie. These cornrows have been for like a month, and another braid have been for like another month. So I've not washed my hair in 2 months. So I've not washed my hair in 2 months because I was busy. Apart from being busy, I feel so lazy to do it. So today I'm going to be doing protein treatment with bananas, egg, okro gel, then going over to my actual wash day. I'm kind of allergic to bananas. Wait. As I'm talking to you guys right now, I want to take down the cornrows. So I'll be taking down the cornrows while I actually talk to you, so I don't get to waste your time watching this video. I don't want it to be too long. So I'm going to be putting down my cornrows, not pulling. So I'm going to be using bananas for my protein treatment today because I couldn't find avocado. Sorry, don't mind me. I took this one out off camera because I was receiving calls. So like I was saying, I said I couldn't find avocado pear, which is my regular. Avocado pear is my regular when it comes to my protein treatment. I couldn't find it. It seems like it's out of season. So I'm going to be using bananas, egg, okra gel. I was kind of allergic to bananas when I newly transitioned my hair into natural, but recently I don't even know the state of my hair right now because I have heat damaged hair. My hair is damaged. That's why my hair is obviously not growing. It's just in one state. It's growing though. It's growing, but anytime it grows, I have to cut. Anytime it grows, I have to cut out the heat damaged part because my new growths are actually healthy. So I had the heat damaged hair due to me flat ironing my hair in the salon without heat protectants, and that was how I got heat damaged hair. But now, trust me, I'm ready. I'm so ready to take good care of my hair right now. Mind you, most of you that usually follow me then when I was always doing this natural hair stuff, I know most of you would think that this was my colored hair that caused the heat damage. No, my colored hair was actually very healthy. My heat damaged hair was caused by flat ironing my hair severally without heat protectant spray. It was not like I didn't know what I was doing. I knew, but I didn't know it would go that far. So the whole of my hair is, like right now I'm transitioning again, in the sense that I'm chopping off my heat damaged hair and letting my new growth spring up. So that is it. So I'm going to be using bananas, and let's see how it goes. If I will react to it or not, I'll let you guys know. So right now I'm just going to be fast forwarding the takeout of my braids, then we get over to the shower and I show you everything about my protein treatment. Okay. watching TV, fast forward this stuff, because it gets boring taking out your hair. Okay. So here I have my bananas and my eggs. I'm going to be using 3 bananas and 2 eggs. Then this is the okra pieces. I'm just going to be opening them in 2, putting water in a pot and boiling it together. Mind you, please don't put too much water. The water should be very small. So unraveling the banana and breaking the egg into the blender, I'm going to be adding mayonnaise, balm. I'll tell you the benefits of all these things to the natural hair. Okay, so I'm just going to be blending all of them together to give me a smooth and perfect paste stroke hair mask. So over to the shower. After I shampooed the whole of my hair, I'm going in with my demi brush to detangle my hair. Then I'll be going in with this protein treatment mask into my hair. It looks more like a clay mask and I love every bit of it. Mind you, this is going to be so messy, so you should be ready for this. So I just put my hair in sections and apply the hair mask gently into my hair, massaging it and putting it in twist. Can you see my coils? It rejuvenated my coils, brought them back to life. My coils are popping, yay. Can you see that? So beautiful. So I'm just going to be putting them into twists and doing the rest part of my hair. So I let the mask sit on my hair for 1 hour, and I came back to wash it off. Please do not use hot water to rinse off. Use cold water to rinse off, because we have egg on our hair, so the egg doesn't get to cook on our hair, then it becomes so difficult to take out. So what you're seeing now, at this point I made a mistake. I was washing out the mask and applying conditioner on my hair, not knowing that I was actually rinsing off the conditioner before it even gets to my hair. So that was a mistake. At the end of it all, I will reapply the conditioner again, so just watch. So I applied my conditioner in every section of my hair, left it for 5 minutes, and I rinsed it out. And that was the end of my wash day. So I'm just going to be going in with a t-shirt to dry my hair. Mind you, if you have natural hair, always use a t-shirt and not a towel, okay? So that's it. Wow, okay, I'm done out of the shower in my 90s. What's the time? Oh my god, it's 1 a.m. in the morning and I'm still doing my hair. What should I do? Should I just pack my hair out tomorrow, or I should do a twist out? I think a twist out would do, so I'm just going to be putting my hair in twist using my hair growth oil, homemade by me. So watch as I put my hair in twist and go to sleep, okay? that I'm not going to be separating my coils because my ends are splitted and it's just going to destroy the whole thing. So I just went ahead to just comb the roots and that was it. Okay, next time you'll see a more beautiful version of this twist out. Thank you. Hey guys, so I fluffed my hair off and this is what it's looking like. Let me give you guys a close look. Give you a close look. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below telling me what you think about this video, and until next time, peace and love. Bye.